Welcome to a creative world where imagination takes form and walls become powerful expressions of art. This channel is dedicated to genius abstract wall art that transforms spaces, turning ordinary rooms into visually striking environments filled with emotion, movement, and meaning. Whether you're an art lover, interior design enthusiast, or someone searching for bold inspiration, you've arrived at a place where creativity knows no limits and every surface tells a story. Here, we explore how abstract wall art reshapes atmosphere and identity, using color, texture, and form to create depth and impact. From modern minimal compositions to bold, expressive masterpieces, we showcase designs that elevate homes, offices, galleries, and commercial spaces. Our content dives into the artistic vision behind each piece, revealing how abstract art influences mood, enhances architectural beauty, and brings a unique personality to any environment. This channel is more than art. It's a movement of creative transformation. We invite you to discover new perspectives, unlock fresh ideas, and see how abstract wall art becomes the soul of a space. Join us as we celebrate innovation, originality, and artistic freedom. Subscribe, explore, and let's transform spaces together, one powerful abstract masterpiece at a time. Welcome to a creative universe where walls become canvases and imagination reshapes the spaces we live in. This channel is dedicated to genius abstract wall art that transforms spaces, redefining how interiors communicate emotion, identity, and style. Here, art is not just decoration. It is a powerful visual language that changes how a room feels, moves, and breathes. Abstract wall art has the unique ability to speak without words, and this channel celebrates that silent yet impactful dialogue. Through bold colors, expressive forms, and layered textures, we explore how abstract art creates depth, energy, and meaning within any environment, from modern homes to professional spaces. Our content focuses on how abstract wall art can transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. We showcase designs that elevate living rooms, offices, hotels, studios, and galleries, proving that a single artwork can redefine the character of an entire room. This channel is a source of inspiration for art lovers, interior designers, creatives, and anyone passionate about visual transformation. Whether you appreciate minimalist abstraction or bold, expressive compositions, you'll find ideas that align with your aesthetic vision. That we dive deep into the creative process behind abstract art, exploring concepts, emotions, and intentions that drive each piece. Understanding the story and thought behind an artwork enhances its impact and helps viewers connect more deeply with the space it inhabits. Color plays a powerful role in abstract wall art, and we explore how color psychology influences mood and perception. From calming neutrals to energetic contrasts, our content demonstrates how color choices shape atmosphere and emotional response within a space. Texture is another key element we highlight. Layered paints, mixed materials, sculptural surfaces, and dimensional effects add richness and tactile presence to abstract wall art, allowing pieces to interact dynamically with light and shadow. Scale and placement are essential when transforming spaces, and we guide viewers on choosing the right artwork size and positioning. Whether it's a bold statement piece or a subtle accent, abstract art has the power to anchor or expand a room visually. We also explore how abstract wall art complements architectural elements. Clean lines, open spaces, industrial finishes, and natural materials all interact uniquely with abstract compositions, creating harmony between art and structure. This channel embraces the idea that art is personal. We encourage viewers to trust their instincts, explore emotional connections, and select artworks that resonate with their personality and lifestyle rather than following rigid design rules. We feature a wide range of styles, from contemporary and modern abstract art to experimental and avant-garde expressions. This diversity reflects the limitless nature of abstraction and ensures inspiration for every creative taste. Lighting is a vital aspect of presentation, and we demonstrate how proper lighting enhances color depth, texture, and movement in abstract wall art. Strategic lighting can dramatically elevate the visual impact of a piece. Beyond aesthetics, we explore how abstract wall art influences mental and emotional well-being. Art can inspire calm, focus, creativity, or energy, making it an essential element in both personal and professional environments. Our channel also highlights emerging trends and innovative techniques in abstract art. From mixed media and digital fusion to sustainable materials, we showcase how contemporary artists push boundaries and redefine artistic expression. We believe abstract art thrives in both minimal and expressive spaces. Whether paired with clean modern interiors or layered eclectic designs, abstract wall art adapts and enhances its surroundings beautifully. This channel serves as a creative guide, offering insights on how to curate art collections that feel intentional and cohesive. We help viewers understand how multiple artworks can work together to tell a visual story across a space. We also celebrate transformation stories, before and after showcases that reveal the powerful impact of abstract wall art. These visual journeys demonstrate how art can completely redefine a room's identity. Community and creativity are at the heart of this channel. We invite viewers to share perspectives, interpretations, and inspirations, recognizing that abstract art means something different to everyone. We aim to break the myth that abstract art is difficult to understand. Through thoughtful explanations and visual examples, we show that abstraction is about feeling, freedom, and personal interpretation. Every video is crafted to inspire confidence in artistic choices. We want viewers to feel empowered to experiment, express themselves, and transform their spaces through abstract wall art. Ultimately, this channel exists to celebrate genius abstract wall art as a transformative force. By blending creativity, emotion, and design, we help turn blank walls into powerful visual statements. Subscribe, explore, and let your spaces speak through abstract art that inspires, energizes, and transforms. As we come to the end of this creative journey, we reflect on the power of genius abstract wall art to completely transform spaces and redefine how environments feel and function. Throughout this channel, we have explored how color, form, texture, and imagination work together to turn ordinary walls into bold artistic statements. Abstract art is more than decoration. It is an experience that shapes mood, energy, and identity within every space it touches. This channel exists to inspire creativity and confidence in artistic expression. By showcasing diverse abstract styles, innovative techniques, and thoughtful design concepts, we aim to help you see walls not as boundaries, but as opportunities for transformation. Whether minimal or expressive, subtle or dramatic, abstract wall art has the power to elevate homes, workplaces, and creative spaces in truly meaningful ways. We are deeply grateful to every viewer who has taken the time to watch, engage, and share in this artistic vision. Your support, comments, and passion for art help this community grow and thrive. Together, we are celebrating originality, encouraging personal interpretation, and embracing the limitless freedom that abstract art represents. Thank you for being part of this journey of transformation and creative exploration. Your presence inspires us to continue sharing bold ideas and artistic inspiration. Stay connected, keep exploring, and let your spaces speak through abstract wall art that transforms, energizes, and inspires.